Which function has the greatest y-intercept? And we have first the line that has a slope of 1 and passes through point 2, -5. We have line y equals 4x, 4x plus 5y equals 15, and we have given this graph y-intercept, so we have to check in which point our function pass y-axis. We have this point. So we can find the coordinates of this point. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The y coordinate is 7, and here x is 0. So we have 0, 7. The value of y is 7. We need to find the greatest intercept of y. So for the fourth statement, we find the y is 7. Next, we have to find the y-intercepts in these 3 lines. The third line is 4x plus 5y equals 15. So we need to change this function to general form, because when we have general form of linear function is y is equal ax plus b, and always the b tell us about the point in which we pass y-axis, tell us about y-intercept. So when we have the b, we will have the value of y-coordinate in which we pass y-axis. So we have to rewrite the third statement, our function 4x plus 5y equals 15, to this form. So let me do this. Let me copy 4x plus 5y is equal 15. We need this form. This is general form of linear function. So first I will move 4x to the right side. So 5y is equal, first we need expression with x, so it will be positive to the right, so it will be negative 4x plus 15, we copy. And because we need only y on the left side, I will divide both sides by 5. 5 and 5 will reduce, and we have that y is equal. Now every expression on the right side we have to divide by 5, so it will be negative 4x divided by 5 plus 15 divided by 5. So y is equal, we can write that this is negative 4 over 5 times x plus 15 divided by 5 is 3. We have the b. b is 3. So we have the y-intercept. Y, the point at which our line pass our y-axis, is 0, 3. The value of y-intercept will be 3. And next, this is the third function, the 4. We have given y is equal 4x. And we have, after 4x, we don't have anything. It means that the b is equal 0, because this is general form. From this form, we have the y-intercept. b is the y-intercept. Because, let me write our function from the second statement, y is equal 4x. Because we have only y equals 4x, we can rewrite that this is y is equal 4x plus 0. I didn't change anything, and now you see that the b value of y-intercept is 0. b is equal 0. So our function y equals 4x pass our y-axis in point 0, 0. And we have y is equal 0. So we have values y equals 0, y equals 3, and y equals 7. Until now, the greatest value is 7. Let's check the first function. We need to check the first. The line that has a slope of 1 and passes through point 2, negative 5. So what we have given, let's copy. This is first example. The first statement, the slope, let me write maybe first one more time, general form of linear function, because we have the line here. So this graph of linear function is line. This is y is equal ax plus b. The slope is 1. And slope is always coefficient before x. So we have given that a is equal 1, and we have also given that our line pass point negative to negative 5. General form of linear function, we can substitute a by 1. So we have y is equal 1 times x plus b. To find the y-intercept, we need b. But also we have given that this line passes point 2, negative 5. So x-coordinate is 2 and y is negative 5. So we can substitute to our equation y by negative 5. 1, we have x is 2. Because this line passed by this point, that's why we can substitute x by 2 and y by negative 5. Plus we have b. So we have unknown only b. Negative 5 we copy, and we have 1 times 2 is 2 plus b. So b is equal, I will move 2 to the left side, so it will be negative 5 and negative 2, so this is equal negative 7. The y-intercept is negative 7 we have. So now, because we have to find the greatest y-intercept, so we have to choose the greatest number. We have y is 7. Let me write maybe here at the end. We got y-intercept 7. From the second equation, we have that y is 0. From the third, we calculate that y is 3. And from the first, we got that y is negative 7. We have 4 values. We have to choose the greatest. Is 7. 7 was from the graph or this function. This is the highest, the greatest y-intercept. It's in 0.07. So y has value 7. So the solution is 4. The fourth statement gives us the greatest y-intercept. This is my solution.